In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with others. Sharing your Google Calendar can be a great way to coordinate schedules with colleagues, friends, or family. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to share your calendar efficiently and set the right permissions for each person. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar, open your preferred web browser and type in calendar.google.com. Once you're there, get ready to manage your calendar settings. Look to the top right corner of the page. There you'll see a small gear icon. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings to access the options you need to share your calendar. Now that you're in the Settings menu, glance over to the bottom left. You'll see a list of your calendars there. Click on the specific calendar you want to share. This step takes you to the settings for this particular calendar, where you can control who gets to see your events. Next, navigate to the Shared With section. This is the key area where you'll manage who can access your calendar details. Here you will find an option labeled Add People and Groups. Give that a click and a text box will appear, allowing you to enter the email addresses of individuals or groups you intend to share your calendar with. Once you've typed in the email addresses, it's time to define what these people are allowed to see or do. You'll notice a permission drop-down menu right next to the email entry field. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several options. Carefully consider what level of access each person needs. You can allow them to see only free/busy without any details, which is ideal for basic scheduling purposes. Alternatively, you can opt for them to see all event details if they require more information. If you need them to be more involved, choose Make Changes to Events or even Make Changes and Manage Sharing, giving them broader control over your calendar entries. Remember, granting more permissions means you're allowing them greater influence over your calendar, so choose wisely based on your relationship with the recipient and the context of the calendar. After you've set the permissions just right, the final step is to click the Send button. This action sends out an invitation providing access to your calendar along with the permissions you assigned. And there you have it, you've now successfully shared your Google Calendar. That's all for today. By following these steps, you'll have effectively coordinated your schedule with others, enhancing teamwork and ensuring that everyone stays on the same page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tutorials.